chicken mission stuff, and he said, did you have some fufu? I said, how you know about fufu? He said, I gotta take you going back there. Going back to. Ooh, look at all this water. Morning. That is tropical liftoff, raspberry tea, and blue raspberry. Good morning. Good morning. Oh my gosh. I woke up this morning by somebody knocking on my door saying, hey, are you ready? No, I'm not. I'm not even up. I just woke up. Somebody, where you at? Oh, her.
You did it to me yesterday.
You were just returning the favor.
Returning the favor.
So today we are having a cooking class with the family, and we're gonna cook traditional African meals for the family to come over later to eat. So this is going to be fun, except we are all exhausted. Like, dragging today, dragging. But it's all good. I'm up. Like she just said, that drink was good that I made her. That's gonna be so. More to come. Stay tuned.
What madness are we gonna report on today? Oh
Tell us, how you feeling this morning?
Like I've been hung out to dry and wrung wet. What's that saying?
That right there, hung out. What is it?
I feel like a damn.
Oh my gosh! Did you get up and get in the bed last night? Did you go to bed?
No, in the morning.
I went upstairs on the third floor to check on him to see if he got up, and he was knocked out still, and somebody had tucked him a blanket or something.
And
I'm
guess
like,
what
happened?
Mom came and then put rubber on me because then I was feeling cold. I was not even aware.
I said, hey, oh, you gave him the blanket?
Yeah.
I said, you gonna go to bed? He said,
Desert weather.
Oh, this has been such an amazing time here, y'all. So, again, we about to pack up and head on out.
Yeah, today's that day.
Whew, y'all. I'm tired. Except we're like an hour or two late where we're supposed to be going.
Oh my God.
You want to talk about CP time? Times 10 over there in this camp, okay?
Oh. We were, Rima was going to be playing soccer yesterday. He was late today. He's supposed to have been there at 4. It's 4:45 and we're not even halfway to the village where we're going. We get there, they haven't even started. It's 5 o'clock, they haven't even started.
I missed it. I am now. I finally got a chance to talk to my son this morning. No, I told him I'm gonna have to bring him over here. Yeah. Oh, she with her glasses.
No, and I see
The who? We done passed a couple of flip-flops. Every time I see somebody, there goes some flip-flops for Camille. Is that Is that spicy? What she just took out? That's what that is? Oh, okay, but it's not spicy. It is? Oh, okay.
I like this concept because
Ooh,
it
sweet
doesn't make
potato.
it hard. Why can't the Americans think of this?
What is that one?
Potato.
Oh, potato. Sweet potato. Okay. And the orange, that's the carrot? Or what's that? What's the orange?
French is carrot.
Oh, okay. That's a big carrot.
That's a carrot. This one is pumpkin.
Oh, okay. Okay. I was gonna say that's a big old carrot.
But this makes a lot of sense. So this is why the bills are so high. Because we put veterinary seed.
Yeah.
But yeah, not my house.
And then we have other vegetables going on over here. Yeah. No, I saw that, but that's not as big as that. The carrot ain't gonna expand.
Yes, that one is magic cube.
Magic cube? Like a beef bouillon.
Fata corn. In that water, we also have this tomatoes. We put some tomatoes on it. Yeah. With some.
I think cleaning the rice. Is that rice? Ah, that's the rice. Okay. Yeah, she was cleaning it.
Egg, raw egg, and some little bit of seasoning.
And what's that gonna make?
Okay.
Pancake. Oh. Yeah. Let me tell you, my son, I was talking to him last night and stuff, and he said, did you have some fufu? I said, how you know about fufu? He said he seen it on TikTok. I didn't know. Yeah. Yeah. I know, but I didn't know he knew. Yeah. I'm like, I need to bring you some fufu so you can try it. But I don't know if I could take that back. Like, I would take him some fufu for him to try. Yes. Ah. Mayo?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or ketchup. So everybody just grab a bread and just dig in.
Oh, okay. Time to
So it's
dig.
two type of bread. That one is tapalapa. That's hot. Yep.
Let me have some.
So this one is same food.
Which one is which?
This tapalapa is same food.
Oh wait, that's a big old piece of bread. I don't need that big of a piece. Can I just break a piece off?
What do you be eating?
I don't eat a lot, but you know I can always go back in for more.
And yes, ketchup. Yeah, just take people in and then dig in. Yeah. Dig in, grab whatever and then. Yep.
Ashley said,
Whatever
embrace
you
it.
need or whatever.
Can I have those napkins?
Mm-hmm.
Or just, thank you.
It is a little spicy.
Spicy? Okay.
Just a little. It's not too bad.
Come on, Sheila, we're waiting on you. Going back to Africa. Okay. Ashley said it's spicy, so we about to find out.
And if you
y'all.
need napkins. What kind of bread you want?
Ooh, that do got a spice to it.
It's like a heat. It's not like.
Yeah.
Anybody want mayo?
That's probably what knocks the spices down.
Ooh.
I like that bread.
Yeah, it's called tapalapa. If you go back home, tell them I ate tapalapa. Yeah. Kapalap.
Almost like a
Oh gosh.
Yeah, handmade bread. These ones are made with machine.
So we literally just ate, not even an hour or so ago, and this is the next meal that they have prepared. Oh, this is, oh, yum, yum, yum. Oh, yeah, that's what I want right there, yeah. We got, that has crab in it. This here is the, yum, yum. We got chicken. Vermicelli, that's goat, and this is, I can't remember these two different dishes, but then that's some fish over there, and this here is a topping that goes on some stuff. Oh my gosh. This is for the birthday girl. And how old is she turning? 19. 19. Oh, I remember when I was 19.
What year was that?
That was 2009. 2009. Long time ago. We about to sing happy birthday to the birthday girl. I got it. I'm on it. I'm trying. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lisa. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Make a wish.
Make a wish.
Okay, she made it already.
Okay, happy birthday to me.
Yes.